friends, I just wanted to show you an idea to make your Christmas cards and gift tags this year. I made a set of four different cards, different backgrounds, and they all say Adore Christ on there. So there's a bird. This one is a snow globe with a bunny and a hedgehog inside, and a bunny looking on the outside, or they're looking at him. And they all say Adore Christ. Here's another bird with some branches and berries and a fence. This one has the berries on a branch here. And the fourth one is a couple of deer in a snowy forest. So they all have kind of a watercolor background. I put some snow in the background of each of them. So what I have done is I have made a little kit, and stay to the end because there's a way to get part of this for free. So I've made a little kit. It's a 4-page kit. This is one of the pages. So these cards, basically you cut them out and you can put them on a card base. This is just half of an 8.5 by 11. Put them on a card base and you're done. I just cut this out and put it in there. I put some stickles on this one just to add a little bit of extra shimmer. So that's an option as well. So that's what I did with this one too, just cut it out and put it on a card blank. These two I decided to just play around with a little bit and put another color underneath. So this one obviously I put blue, so I just did another blue matte underneath here and put that on a card base. And this one is a red one, so just to match the bow there. So that's one page. The second page is a set of 4 of these, which has a nice snowy background, pale blue background as well, with each of the images in a circle. So this will be your gift tag. So it's 3 by 6, and it comes, there's 3 on one sheet and then 1 on the next sheet. And so each one of the 4 are on there. And then you just fold it over and open it up. I had a to from stamp, and basically you're done. You have a cute little gift tag. And if you want to give a card and a gift tag, they match. Third one is these pages, these circles, but not on the background. So I have the set of 4 again, and these ones are not on the, are just circles. I'm sorry I don't have I should have had the pages here to show you, but you can check that out on the shop if you want. So what I did with these ones is I just punched them out. They're 2.5 inches circles, so you can punch them out or cut them out. And then I just showed a couple of different ways that you could do these in addition to this. So these ones are a little more dimensional. This is cut out separately, this is cut out separately. This one I just punched with a hole punch, but using, not putting it completely in the punch so that there was still a fold there. I folded the paper and then I punched it, but not through the top like that. Punched a little bit of a hole and put some baker's twine through there. And again, to from in there. So, and again, this one is a matched set there. So, and then this one I just put it onto a tag shape. And the backgrounds for all of these is the 4th page in the kit is just a pale background, blue background for all of your tags. So this is a tag shape, just whatever shape you want. I put a hole in a piece of baker's twine. Again, I put a little bit of stickles on him and a matched set. And then this one is the 4th one, and this one I just made into a little bit of a book tag. So I just did that, cut that out, folded up this part, put a staple in, and it's a little matchbook gift card. And here's the match set. So there's 4 pages. This is 1 page. 1 page is 4 of these in each of the images, and the third one is 4 of these circles in each of the images, plus 4 of these Adore Christ, plus the 4th one of this because it couldn't fit on the initial page. And then the 4th page in the kit is a background, not this background, this background page. So if you're interested in that, quick way to do gift cards and greeting cards that match Adore Christ. That's the reason for the season, and I love to have just quick cards but beautiful cards. And you can add a little stickler, you could add ribbon, different things to add a little bit extra. You can frame them with this, like I said. So that's just a quick little 4-page kit, and it's over on my coffee shop. I'll link that below. But I also have a freebie for you. So I did one more, and these are the pieces that will be in the other kit, except there will be 4 images. This is 1 image. So here's your card front, and this one I actually put 2 mats on, so if you cut it on the outside line, you're just done. You don't have to worry about any mats. I couldn't fit 4 of those onto the other sheet, so I just did it that way. Here's your fold over gift tag. Here's your separate pieces if you want to do it separately. This one just has 3 candles with some holly and berries and a little rabbit poking through there, and some greenery at the front there. So if you want to get the freebie and see what you think about these, or just use these by themselves, head over to my coffee shop. This one is free. This one is just going to be a couple of dollars, and so you can mix and match and make all your holiday greetings. I also wanted to just show you, I printed this on 2 different papers. This is kind of a photo glossy paper, and it does make quite a difference with the color. Not sure if the camera is going to be able to pick that up, but this is a real matte finish, and this is more of a shiny, just almost a photo looking. It is kind of a photo paper, so almost a photo looking image. So play around with the paper that you want to use, and make yourself some greeting cards. Thanks, friends. See you in the next video.